Can't remember what plant was put in the field last year, and I don't have time to go back and check my videos, but I expect my new owners here at our home will get to see whether it's corn or soybeans. And they'll get to enjoy having the train go by. And looking way beyond out there, they'll have the pleasure of seeing the wind turbines. And of course, just the other side of the railroad tracks is a 4-lane highway just over the rides from the railroad track. And then across the highway there is also a small airport. So we have a lot going on just in our view from our front yard here. Did I say this was a long train? This is a long train. And I've seen several times now where they have had pushers in the middle of the train. I wonder if we're going to see that on this one. And no, we're not. No pusher in the middle and no pusher on the end. Just 3 engines pulling from the front. It's Friday. I'm finishing cleaning out my basement. Gonna get that done this morning. We're getting towards the end of packing up, and I gotta finish packing up my garage tomorrow. Yep. And of course, if you look over that way, you can see the water tower that says Dodge Center on it. Yep, you can. Well, what a glorious day to make our last train video from here in Dodge Center. And what a better place to do it than on my front step, sitting underneath these glorious shade trees. Quite appropriate, wouldn't you say, for the shade tree fix-it man? I hope you've enjoyed the videos of trains that I've presented over the last few years from here on my front step, as much as I've enjoyed watching them. As I said, this will be my last opportunity to do this and to publish one from here. Hoping you're having a wonderful day. I'm going to be finishing up packing my garage today. Yep. Monday, we pick up the rental vehicles and start loading the trucks and trailers. Have a blessed weekend. This weekend is a lot of lasts for me. This will also be our last opportunity to fellowship with our friends at Bible Lutheran Church here in Dodge Center. another long train. As I said, this is the last one from Dodge Center. This will not be my last video on trains. Just the last one from here. I'm sure we'll find some interesting trains to do some rail fanning on down in Tennessee. Have a good day. Starting off beautifully here today. Thanks for watching, commenting, and for subscribing. Till next time, bye for now.